The Allahabad High Court has granted protections from arrest to Supriya Sharma, a journalist, in connection to an FIR lodged against them by a Varanasi resident for misinterpretations of her statements. The division bench, comprising Justices Manoj, Misra and Anil Kumar, observed that Supriya claimed to be in possession of an audio recording of the interview, the contents of which were reflected in the publications, therefore granted them relief in the following terms. However, the court refused to quash the FIR against them, stating that the all allegations contained in the FIR disclose commissions of the cognizable offence. The FIR had been lodged at the Ramnagar Police Station by the Mala Devi, a resident of the Varanasi's Domari village, who complained that Sharma misinterpreted her statements and made false claim in her report. Accordingly, the police registered a case under the sanctions, along with relevant provisions of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Preventions of the Atrocities Act 1989. In her report, titled "In Varanasi Village Adopted by the Prime Minister Modi, People Went Hungry During the Lockdown," Sharma had quoted Mala and alleged domestic workers of having faced extreme hardship, including lack of food or ration during the lockdown, as per the FIR dated June 13. However, Mala Devi claimed that she is not a domestic worker and that her comments were misinterpreted by the journalist. She claimed that she is a sanitation worker and the Varanasi city municipality through outsourcing, and she did not face any distress during the lockdown and had access to the food. Earlier, journalist has issued a statement claiming that Mala Devi's comments were reported accurately and that the FIR is an attempt to intimidate and silence independent journalism on conditions of the vulnerable groups during the COVID-19 lockdown. Now we are joined by Advocate Divyanshi to give us more update.
Yes, in this case, Allahabad High Court has granted protection from arrest to journalist Supriya Sharma. Court has granted her release considering the facts and circumstances of the case and ordered the continuous investigation in this matter.
Okay.
But she will not get arrested till the submission of police report and asked Ms. Sharma to cooperate in the investigation. And on the plea of quashing the FIR, the court has refused to quash the same on account of being cognizable in the nature of offence.